Instagram unsend messages not working problem. How we can fix this? So if you open up the chat of your specific friend, and here if you want to unsend a specific message, so here you see the message is not unsending. So I want to show you how to fix this problem. You have to simply first go to the phone settings. From your phone settings, you need to simply go to the app settings. Here you have to simply search the Instagram. Now tap on storage, and here you have to simply clear the cache. So this is actually a cache memory of your Instagram app. So recently Instagram introduced a new update. So in this update, a lot of people facing problem to unsend messages. So you have to simply first clear the cache. Then you have to simply once again open up the Instagram. Now in this time I want to just unsend a message. You have to simply tap and hold down a specific message. Now if you tap on the unsend, so here you notice that the message is successfully unsent. So this is only for your side. You can easily unsend any message. So in this way you can easily fix Instagram unsend message not working. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.